Aloha and mahalo for booking your Pali Coast adventure with Captain Andy's. We're excited to have you on board and your adventure starts soon. We'd like to take this moment to share with you what to expect.
Traffic on our small island can get very congested. Give yourself plenty of extra drive time to get here for check-in. Our boats do leave the harbor as scheduled. We don't want you to miss the boat.
To reach our office, travel on Highway 50 to the town of Elieli and turn towards Port Allen. Follow Waialo Road towards the ocean and you will find our parking on the right-hand side.
Please check in at our Port Allen office at 7:30 a.m. where we'll have fresh gourmet coffee and homemade muffins. Once on board, you'll be treated to additional breakfast delights.
It's always barefoot sailing in Hawaii. We ask that you please remove your shoes and we will stow them in the shoe bins and have them safe for the duration of your trip.
Be sure to wear your swimsuit, bring a towel, cover up, and sunscreen. If you've ever experienced motion sickness, it's probably good to bring preventative measures. If you need any essential medical items such as EpiPens or asthma inhalers, please bring them with you.
As you move around the boat, be sure to keep one hand on a handrail and both feet on the deck at all times. A good rule of thumb can be to use one hand for the handrail and one hand for your camera, drink, or loved one. You're welcome to bring your cameras, but use good judgment on when and how to use them. The front of the boat can be wet and wild on any day. It's usually drier towards the stern section or in the cabins. There is a flat dash area inside the cabin for all of your stuff. It's the safest and the only dry spot on the boat. Everything else can get wet, that's just part of the adventure here at Captain Andy's.
You will enjoy a fresh, delicious lunch prepared by our culinary team. Soft drinks and water are available all day long, and we'll also bring out beer and wine with lunch.
At some point during the day, you might need to use the restroom. The only safe way to get down is to turn and face the ladders as you go up and down. Please use the handrails.
We will provide you with snorkel gear and flotation vests, as well as a briefing on what to do and what to expect while you're in the water. Our boats are equipped with a swim platform that lowers into the water, but you're going to need to be able to navigate them safely on your own. Snorkeling is weather permitting based on both the clarity of the water and the surface conditions. Snorkeling is statistically the most dangerous activity you'll do while on vacation and may not be for everyone. You know your abilities. Full face masks are not permitted on our boats. New safety information shows that they may increase your risk of drowning.
On occasion, there are times when the wind and seas are just too much for an enjoyable trip along the Pali coast. If that's the case on the day of your adventure, we'll be heading for calmer waters. Your captain will be checking ocean conditions right up to the time of departure. We have lots of great places to go with smooth sailing, stunning scenery, active marine life, and amazing snorkeling.
Mahalo for your attention. We hope to see you soon, and aloha!